Hi, this is Classic Techart, and welcome to another video. As you can see to my skin, I'm so happy today and super excited because this fantastic design in my skin, I'm gonna here just to show you how to create this circle typography type design. It's a monogram type design. So it is super easy. Just pay attention to the end of the video. You can learn something from it. Cinema talk. Just let's begin today. So what we need to do, I'm just select first today. So a little bit smaller and keep to the corner side to be more clear about it is logo. So what we need to do, you see today dashboard so many tools over here, but I need circle type tools. So what we're going to just click over here. This is so many tools, but I need ellipse tool. So click over here and it just drag by pressing shift and alt key together. So I'm just data dragging to the center. See, it's happening. So I needed this color. So I need a little bigger, like that, a little bigger there. I think it's okay. So what we need to do, I need to just go to the over here and select this one first of all, and go to the edit and copy, and go to the edit and paste in front. Now by pressing shift and alt together, and it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. So what we need to do, I need stable like that, go to the line segment tool and adjust right by shift pressing here, and I needed to put this one center, and I needed just copy one and put to the center. Okay, that's fine. And also I need it again copy another one there. So like that, I just to center center. Okay, so I put it center and go over here like that. Okay, that's fantastic. So we're ready to do. Just go to the object and go to the expand and okay. Okay, it's fantastic. So what we need to do, I just top or close color, but I need for color. Okay, it's gonna through what I have put it to the counter side. So what we need to do, I need to just go to the over here and I need to ungroup all the things and again go to the over here compound. So I need to now just go to the edit and copy and go again go to the past in. So I just like that again by pressing Alt key and Shift key together just a little bit. I think it's okay. So that's done. It's a fantastic and super magic. So what we need to do, I just now go to the again over here, line segment tool, little bit like that, and I think I need to put balance with balance maintain. I think it's okay. Little bit there, little bit okay. So now just copy for one thing, not there. Okay. And again, I need copy another purpose. See how I put it on more clear and easy. Okay, take it over here a little bit. Okay, fine. And I just select all the things and go to the shape builder tool and change the color. Using red color, and I think over. Oh, sorry, mistake. Over here a little bit, very slow, because if done to the outside, will be more problem. So I need to go like that. See, it's gonna through what I wanted. So I need to change the color. I go to the color, and it just start from here like that. It's that color like that. I think a little bit that that I should go straight. Makes a problem. Okay, so over here like that. You see how fantastic design is happening. So I just now select one there, one there, and this one the outside. And I think I just delete all unnecessary things. So you see how it's exactly like that, and no difference between one. So I just do group all the things you see. Oh, fantastic design. So this is all what I wanted wish to show you. So thanks for watching.